Snoring can be a real problem for couples like our next guest. Take a look.
Hi, my name's Haley. This is Olivia.
My husband Jabin is a crazy snorer. It's unbelievable.
I have the big, mean snoring machine in my bed every night. He doesn't believe that he snores. You got a new bedroom.
What the hell do you mean I got a new bedroom?
Yay! Because you snore all night.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
My wife says that I snore. I didn't really think that I did until she presented me with a video of me snoring.
That's me.
Holy
I tried pushing him, rolling him over, and nothing works. Between him and my baby, I don't get any sleep. So we are trying to find anything we possibly can to help him out.
I'm desperate to try to find a solution.
Well, could this strip right here stop the snoring? Well, that's what the company that makes them says. So our couples put them to the test, and they're here to report the results. So first up, Haley and Chris, what was your experience?
Well, it worked. It stopped the snoring. And so the first night that I put them on, I tried them for 2 nights. And the first night that I put them on, I put them like a little bit too close to my mouth, so I couldn't really open my mouth that much. And so I told her, I was like, if I start snoring, will you wake me up? Because I think I might not be able to breathe with these on. And so I took them off after she woke me up, and I kind of put them in the right spot. And the first night, apparently, I didn't snore, and she loved it. And so then the second night, I knew kind of where to put them. Like, you kind of put them more kind of towards the back of your face a little bit. And so anyways, I had them in the right position for that night, and I didn't move them the whole night. And I woke up the next morning, I felt really good. And she actually was laying next to me, and she says, all right, we got to get more of these. And and I was like, okay. However, there is I guess maybe a little bit of a negative side to the story, which is I start peeling them off, and when I got down to the bottom of my beard, I couldn't get it off of my skin. And so, without really thinking about it, I probably should have been like, hey, do we have anything that would maybe help get this off? I just kept peeling it off, and it peeled off a lot of my skin. I don't know if you